बालकनी सीलिंग्स और आउटडोर वॉल्स को डिजाइन करना चाह रहे हो और प्रोडक्ट नहीं समझ आ रहा क्या लगाएं? आओ बता दो बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. We are diving into the world of innovation and sustainability with an incredible brand, VOX, that's redefining the game. Check this out, guys. A wooden-like texture. It's not just a visual treat. It's a testament of cutting-edge technology. They are so versatile. They fit anywhere, internal, external, or roof, you name it. Installation, a walk in the park. With factory-made screws, fixing slots, and click system, these panels are as light as feather. Maintenance, forget about it. No need for chemical or constant touch-ups. A simple clean with warm water and mild detergent keeps these panels looking super fresh. Durability, check. Soffit ceiling panels come with a solid 10 years of warranty, are impact resistance, water and termite-proof. It's about diving into the future of interior innovation with VOX India. Their Soffit ceiling panels isn't just a product. It's a statement of cutting-edge technology and style. Remember, when it comes to elevating your space, VOX India is your go-to brand for modern and hassle-free elegance. Come and VOX and I'll share you the link of their products. Do check them out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.